Check out this new brushless blower and vac from Makita. The DUB363 has a brushless motor powered by two 18-volt Makita batteries, producing 234 kilometers per hour of airspeed, which is some serious puff. But this blower also sucks. With simple modification, you can attach this included spout to the intake vent and replace the blower exhaust with the included elbow and bag. And you now have a really decent outdoor vac. Nice, rubberized, comfortable dual grips for in vacuuming configuration. And for your safety, it won't operate unless you have both the intake and the outlet connected correctly. And it's got dual speed modes as well. Variable speed trigger under your finger, cruise control on the thumb so you can set and forget the speed. On the front of that impeller is a mulching blade that really crushes up the leaves and ingests through the vac, making sure you get full use of that 50-litre bag. All in all, this brushless 2-in-1 blower and vac from Makita, it's really great. It's available as a skin only or in a combo kit. Head over to sydneytools.com.au for more info or drop in store today. You got any questions? Hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim, and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.